Johnson City Honda.
Presenting the 2014 Honda Accord, powered by front-wheel drive, a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include alloy rims, anti-lock brakes, On the inside, you'll find Bluetooth connectivity, satellite radio, steering wheel controls, a premium sound system, a backup camera, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, cruise control, a trip computer, an MP3 player, air conditioning. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Johnson City Honda took the worry out of buying a pre-owned vehicle and gave me a worry-free lifetime guarantee.
Buy your pre-owned vehicle worry-free at Johnson City Honda because our pre-owned vehicles come with a worry-free lifetime guarantee. The same great guarantee that comes on all our new Hondas is now on every pre-owned vehicle too. Look for the orange check and make sure you're getting the exclusive worry-free guarantee. At Johnson City Pre-Owned Center, Johnson City, and our new Johnson City Pre-Owned Center in Gray.